Hey guys, I'm Sumita Karir. So Apple recently dropped the highly anticipated series, the iPhone 13, as we all know, and today I'm bringing you the spanking new iPhone 13 mini. इस फोन में नया क्या है, क्या unchanged है, and what is the blockbuster feature? All that in this video, along with an unboxing of the iPhone 13 mini. Now, as you can see, the box actually is a tad slimmer, अगर आपने देखा होगा, because Apple is not packing in accessories anymore. It's not even packing in a charger or even a pair of headphones anymore. ये Apple का eco-friendly होने की तरफ एक बहुत बड़ा step है. They basically want to reduce the carbon footprint. Without further ado, let's take out the phone and see. Now there you have the Apple iPhone 13 mini. For the very first time, you're seeing it, and this is in midnight color, which basically is a very dark shade of blue. It's not completely black, and color has always been important for Apple, and it shows here. So definitely will help you make a statement. Now one of the biggest changes that Apple has brought in as far as the iPhone 13 series is concerned are these diagonally placed cameras. ये diagonally placed camera module है. Other than that, same aluminum frame है, same arrangement of buttons है. यहाँ पे power button है on the right hand side. On the left hand side, you have volume up and down buttons. Also, we will talk about the phone in just a bit, but before that, let's see कि box में और क्या है. In the box, you also get a lighting cable with a USB Type-C port. उसके अलावा इसमें देखते हैं क्या है. एक SIM ejecting pin है. उसके अलावा एक छोटा सा booklet है. And यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है एक Apple का स्टिकर. तो ये सारा है बॉक्स के अंदर, और एक आपको मिलता है iPhone 13 mini का सिलिकॉन केस जो है MagSafe चार्जिंग के साथ इनेबल्ड. तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छे मैट ग्रीन कलर में है. दिस इज़ अ मिलिट्री ग्रीन कलर. यहाँ पे आपका कैमरा आएगा, उसके लिए कटआउट बनाया हुआ है. यहाँ पे चार्जिंग के लिए कटआउट बनाया हुआ है. अंदर से भी काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल और सॉफ्ट है. It's a very good quality case. Now coming back to the phone, just look at this. You know, I'm holding this in just my palm, और ये बहुत ही easy है होल्ड करने में, बहुत ही छोटा और कॉम्पैक्ट है, और आई थिंक पॉकेट्स में डालने के लिए भी ठीक है. इट्स नॉट very big, so it's easy for you to carry it inside your pocket as well. इसका जो डिज़ाइन है overall, if you see, it's a boxy shape. Now, like the iPhone 12, which basically gives the phone some sort of familiarity. आपको पता है कि क्या expect कर सकते हैं. It gives you ease of use and can easily be slipped into your pocket. It's got the same square of edges like the iPhone 12, और यहाँ पे आपके volume up and down buttons हैं. बाकी आता है ceramic shield texture, जो है वो phone को toughness देता है, which basically means that it can withstand any scratches and impact. IP68 rating makes this water and dust resistant. I have set this up already in the interest of time. So let's go through what the UI actually looks like. The screen, of course, is a vibrant 5.4 inches OLED display, and this is bright even outdoors. So right now where I'm sitting, a lot of light is coming in here, but the display is just excellent. Glossy finish के साथ back panel है, which basically gives it a premium feel. अभी मैं use कर रही हूँ 512 GB वाला variant, which is priced at 99,900, but the starting price for the Apple iPhone mini is 69,900, which is basically for the 128 GB variant. This is a brand new camera setup, the diagonally placed cameras. Now these are really large, big circles and jutting out, and of course standing out, both 12 megapixels. And what makes stunning pictures possible is the phone's brand new A15 Bionic chipset that comes with a 4-core GPU. That's excellent for gaming and graphics. So whatever you throw at the phone, it will be able to use, it will be able to handle with ease. Now besides a bigger camera, a bigger battery is also one of the key things that Tim Cook actually announced a few days back at the launch event of the Apple iPhone 13 series. Now besides bigger camera, bigger battery, chipset, एक बड़ा differentiator iPhone 13 में है the cinematic video option. Now इससे क्या होगा that you'll be able to shift focus to the moving subject. But guys, for now, just take a look at this phone, how it feels in the hand. This is just one of the pictures that I clicked, and it has incredible amount of detail. Just look at the number of times that I've zoomed in. So guys, that's it from me. This is Sumita Karir signing off.